Okay, further rundown here. Uh, cotton's running down like most of the physical commodities. Uh, Things like cotton, corn, soybeans, and that. I'm looking to go. You're looking to go out to 2018. I'm trying to time North American drought. Gasoline, decent bar yesterday. At some point, we're down to 90, 95 cents. At some point, the deferred contracts are going to hang tough. This is just the old front month washout. Gold, same thing. This is a lot of this has to be new blood. We'll start seeing it with open interest commodity traders. Last data was on Tuesday, so you can see how things are. That and also the number of option chasers going into this thing. Short-term targets right here. I listed 1,400. I posted point and figure charts for $10 increments. Last night's 1180-ish area was a decent pullback, and that's what I was talking about in yesterday's video. About you have to be able to hang in there for $10, $20, $30. Now with a wider swing, you're gonna have to move up to $50, and then you're gonna eventually have a high-low day of like $75, $80 kind of thing. So it's one of these things that this is why I do what I do. I lie in wait and go in a hunt. All right, when the washout on the unbalanced volume here came down and washed out, that was the sign, and basically just marched the other way. Like I said, if you're long, write some calls on this kind of thing. Yesterday's low, in my eyes, we made the retest on that, so we're off and running again. But one interesting note was that you could look at this. I did post a chart, I believe, yearly in gold as a wave 4, and an idea of going back to the late 70s, but that's here nor there as of now. You have to get up into 1300s first before we can talk about insanity. If that should happen. All right, heating oil, sideways pattern here, like crude oil. This is just a front month washout. Like I said, I'm looking. I'm going to look at the economies. It's going to be roaring along in 2017. So I'm looking out that way for things like oil and that, because we're going to get the auto replacement and all that fun stuff. Gas dropped to under $2 here finally. So lumber positive on that with the Canadian dollar. Housing, you want to buy into housing, which goes along with housing too. Durable goods. Natural gas, still working on the 50% pullback. We're up this morning. EIA, I'll do a live video then. Palladium, not much in the metals. These may have industrial issues. Silver should too. Here's platinum. Platinum's reacting like gold because that's how you look at it. There's value added onto that one on platinum. Now you're running through the indexes here. Agriculture. Yep, agriculture. There, stop that. Agriculture. All right, just getting the washout. Producers, you have to hedge, or should be hedged out the next couple of years. It's commodity index in general. Same thing here. Energy, industrial metals, possibly inverted head and shoulders here. This goes along with my housing and autos, and I'm looking 2, 3, 4 years forward. I can only go off of history. Last time oil market did this, that was we'll say 85 to 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, that kind of thing. For the consumer. Livestock's rolling over again after a 3-wave. Precious metals, same thing.